Good afternoon, good morning, good day. How are you doing? Super excited. If you can hear me, let me know, guys. It's another evening. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency today. I'm really excited. How is your trading going? I told you already that the market, I already told you that the market is going to be amazing. Bitcoin below 18,000 right now. And I know a lot of you are like, geez. Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ola. Ola Tomiwa. How are you doing today? Tell me where you're joining from, guys. Chinedu Clusters from Dubai. How is Dubai? How is Dubai? Yeah. How is Dubai? Tell me, how is Dubai? Can we get to share? Let's click on the share button. Let people know that we are live. Let's put in some sound. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Good day, Samuel. How is it going? So my junior brother just sent me, I think about an hour ago, sent me his profit from Bitcoin sell and was really happy. He's been um, um, hitting Bitcoin sales for some time. So whenever he withdraws, he will always shout and send me screenshot. I'm excited for him. I'm excited for him. So the market is really going down. Like I told you guys, it's going to go down. What's going on here? Please, it's cryptocurrency today. Odukoya Michael. It's cryptocurrency today. How are you doing? So the market is really moving, and it didn't move on Monday like that, but about an hour ago, there was a fundamental announcement, and immediately the whole table shook. And right now, before I came on the call, Bitcoin had come below 8.5. Once it breaks 17.5, then we're on our way to We're on our way to 9,000. Okay. I know a lot of you don't like that 9,000. Mr. Gabriel, how you doing? Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to you. How you doing today? So I don't like it either. Like I harness more of futures trading. Okay. Then why you begin to position yourself for the next bull run. The next bull run is going to be massive. It's going to be massive. It's going to be very, very massive. So we all need to be ready for it. We all need to be ready for it. A lot of money will be cleared off the market. So you want to get ready. You want to get ready. So tell me where you guys are joining from today. Where are you guys joining from before we get busy with the session? Where are you joining from today? Where are you joining from today? Okay. Gabriel is joining from Malabo, Equatorial Guinea. Good to have you on. Okay. Samuel is joining from Lagos. Good to have you on. Mark Jose, good afternoon. How you doing? Hey, Mark Jose says I'm Neil from South Africa. Good to have you. First timer. And I South Africa today. Which part of South Africa are you in? Will says, good afternoon. Will from Port Harcourt. Good to have you, Will. Good to have you. Hey, Mr. Ayola, how you doing, sir? Ayo from Ajak. Good to have you, sir. Good to have you. Good to have you on. Good to have you on. So what has happened? What is happening? What will happen? Guys, I've told you, save up your money. The bull run is coming. Like, how soon? I wish I can tell you it's next month. I wish I can use some power to tell you it's next month. But get ready, like I smell money. Yeah. Okay. Michael Susan says, doing good. I'm in Durban. Oh, fantastic. Love to learn how to spot entries. Fantastic. Okay. Okay, Mr. Ayola says, I'm doing fine. Awesome. Sound great. Fast. Great. Good. So what is happening right now? What is happening right now? Fundamental wise, we have robo-advisor Betterment launches crypto offering. Now a lot of institutions are launching out their cryptocurrency model, and you guys need to understand that the first 15 years of every evolution, the first 15 years, it is early adopters. Late into 13, 15 years, the institutions begin to show interest. If that model will succeed, and for the next 70 years, the institutions will hold price. So right now, you and I, we are very early to this system, and we need to begin to position ourselves really strong, because a lot will be happening and we want to begin to position ourselves. Okay, MasterCard is doing some stuffs around crypto right now. A lot of big brands are coming into the industry, and they are taking positions. Okay, you must get ready for that. Bitcoin holds as price gets higher. Okay, that's last week. Is as at this morning, I think it was posted this morning before the current news. Right now, it has dropped below 18,000. Dominica makes Tron national blockchain, and that means there's hope for Tron. Tron is a good blockchain system, and I think it's going to really be here for a very long time. Okay, it's not part of my top five projects. Okay, it's not part of it, but I think Tron will be here for a very long time. Okay, so Dominica has made Tron a national blockchain for them to leverage on. Okay, very good. Singapore licensed issued to Coinbase, and that's another good news for Coinbase. So about some months ago, one of the major stakeholders in Coinbase sold off their positions. But you see, one of the beauty about industries is that the weakened hands will always sell off. Okay, the weakened hand will always sell off. The question is, do you believe the project long enough that you can invest your money in it? If you don't believe in the project, don't put your money in it. You must, it's not just about a YouTuber telling you to put your money in a project, or you must be able to ask some certain questions. Okay, because I do tell you, if you can't hold it for 10 years, don't hold it for 10 minutes. And that's one thing I learned from Warren Buffett. If you can't hold it for 10 years, don't hold it for 10 minutes. And I don't think Coinbase is even yet 7, 8 years right now. So that means that Coinbase still has a lot of potentials, no matter how turbulent or how tough what they are going through as an internal challenge. Okay, I have a personal observation about Coinbase, but I strongly feel that because they are US brand, they will definitely scale through. I strongly feel so. Okay, so for them to be able to get Singapore license, that's a very good one for them. Okay, our crypto firm launches first data protecting stablecoin. Well, I won't want to go into that because a lot of time when I talk about stablecoin, some of you just go and buy that project. Okay, but another crypto firm launches that. So Binance chain hit by 570 million ARC. Okay, so the the DeFi was the default system, which is BSC, Binance Smart Chain, got hit, okay, last week Friday, which is not a good one. But Binance just has a way of communicating to the investors, and people are relaxed. Okay, but I'm sure their tech team will be working on it real time. X player gets into crypto trading. Everybody needs to get into crypto trading. Either you are buying for long term or you're buying. It's just an industry you don't want to miss out in. EU regulates ban cross-border payment from Russia crypto accounts. Now, this man, I really don't know what he really wants. Okay, I don't know what Putin really wants. Okay, I really don't know what he wants, but I'm sure he has a plan. He has a plan. So EU regulators ban cross-border payment from Russia. You see, I don't know what he wants, but with time, okay, these plans will be reviewed. So this is what we have so far on the fundamental side of the market, and we just need to get ready because there's a lot we're going to be talking about today. So who else is here? Fantastic. Doing awesome, learning a lot. Good to have you. Hey, Sheyezag. Hello, bro. Thank you so much. How you doing, Shey? So that's the fundamental we have for this week. From there, we always go to check the fear and greed. What is happening in the fear and greed section of the market? What is happening in the okay? The fear and greed is a tool I love to use anytime I want to take partials in the market, or when I want to go into the market. It's one of the tools that I use. Okay. Last week we were around 26. You can see it has dropped to 20%. Anything below 10, I am good to go. Anything below 10, I am good to go. Anything above 70, 75, I'll take some profits. Okay, so this is basically the fear and greed index, the which is the sentiment part of the market. And I always like to talk about the max part of it. You can see currently still around 20. We strongly feel these guys should come lower in couple of months to come. Okay, so this is the sentiment that we have in the market. So with this, you know that people are selling cryptocurrency right now, not selling because they want to hold, but probably selling, taking some profit off the table. Okay, so that's what we have for the sentiment. Then from there, let's go to the father of Bitcoin, the father of the market, which is Bitcoin. Okay, I've been talking about us selling till 9,000, and then I know a lot of you have been asking, Mr. Mayowa, you strongly feel this guy will come to 9,000. It's not about feeling, it's what I have experienced. Okay, it's not about feeling, it's about what I have experienced. I've experienced this and I've seen the market do this over and over again. So right now we're waiting for this to break through, and we can now look at 9,000, and from 9,000 we can start doing our major buy. But right now, what is available in the market is to sell. You have to keep selling. So we have a sell zone here around 21,000. And as at today, he has created another sell zone. As at today, another sell zone around 19,000. So that'll be my only place to sell right now if I'm going to be selling the market at all. So, but it's on the floor right now. Can you buy? I don't buy against the trend. I basically trade only with trend. Let's go to 8 hours if you can see something closer. Really, nothing closer, guys. Nothing. Nothing. But I see between now and next week, or between now and this weekend, this market has the capacity to break this 17,500. And when it breaks 17,500, guys, yay! On our way to our entry point, which is about anything below 9,000, we're going to be very, very, very good to go. Okay, so my sell entry for a lot of us that we trade futures trading, we'll be looking at selling at anything around 20,000 or 22,000. We also have one above, which is 24,000, but I don't see the market do that because currently the US index is currently very high. Okay, as a matter of fact, the drop that we can see today was because of the news that came in favor of USD, and that will keep rising. The index will keep rising. Like I told us, for a lot of us that are forex trader, that you attended the forex section yesterday, I said that I'll be looking at for the US index to come as high as 116. Around 116, we can do business to look for a reversal. Okay, but until it gets to 116 and above, that is where. So, and if this has a lot to go, then you can imagine Bitcoin also having so much to go as it drops below. So that's my take on Bitcoin. Okay, you are either selling, looking for a sell, okay, on futures, or you wait for the 9,000 and you're good to go. Okay, guys, make some sense. Put in 777 if it's making sense for you. Put in 777 if it's making some sense. Let's go. Put in. Put in some sense if it's making. Put in 7-7 if it's making sense. Fantastic. So we need to wait for that to happen. Okay, so we have Clester says, sir, what are you going to say about the Telegram? What are you going to say about Telegram accepting cryptocurrency and also trying to launch their token? Very good. That's what we are looking for. We're waiting for adoption. We need more adoption. Okay? We need more adoption. The more adoption that we have, the more opportunity, the more the information goes around very fast. So I think it's a good one, like I told you on that particular live stream, that for Telegram to take that to work on that is a very good one for us. So let's expect. Let's expect. Hey, good afternoon, sir. Mr. Adekunle Adelabu. Good to have you on. Good to have you on. Fantastic. Oshio, where have you been? Oshio, I've not heard from you. Oshio, we need to talk. Okay. Once I end this stream, call the office line. Let's talk. We need to talk. I've not heard from you for a while. How is it going? And you're attending my Forex class. There's God. I've not heard from you. We need to talk, okay? Yes, so please, let's talk. Let's talk. Okay, so let's go. We've settled Bitcoin, and I think there are other projects you guys are looking at. What project do you like us to check out today? Tell me. Sandra, again, Rob, good to have you on. What project do you want us to check today, guys? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. I'm happy for Tron, because that we can't put money in Tron right now. We can't put money in Tron right now. Tron need to come to like 16 cents before we can buy. Clesto says Google also partner with Coinbase to accept cryptocurrency. Yes. Yes. You know, because Coinbase is a United States project. So it's a United States based project. So they have a lot. They have a lot. And if there's anything I know that the United States do, a lot of time they protect their people. They protect their systems, and you want to accept that. Okay, Gabriel said we should check Solana. Solana. What do you want us to check Solana? Is it the fundamental, the project, or the TA? What do you want us to check on Solana? Okay. TA on Solana. Okay, let's go now. Let's go check. Let's go check TA on Solana. Let's go check the TA on Solana. Solana, where are you, Solana? Solana, I told you it's coming low, like lower, lowest, right? Okay. So what I'm expecting Solana to do is to come below. It's going to be coming below this low, okay? I see it come below this low. And I can be wrong, okay? I see it come below this low. Like Solana has the capacity to come like to give us to go as far as $1,000. But right now, well, let me see if I can get another chart that can give us something more. Okay. So this guy has more. So you can see that Solana, I see Solana come. Hey, these guys will say, Mr. Mayo have come again. Solana need to come very low, low, like low. I don't see one of the things that can make all of these crypto assets to start going bullish is that the father needs to reject Bitcoin. We need to see some momentum on Bitcoin. Okay, the projects that will be delivering 10x right now, they are new degens project. But if you're talking about blockchains project, you're talking about Ethereum, you're talking about Bitcoin, the momentum is in the volume that comes into the market. And right now, there's no volume coming in. So my analysis for Solana is that I see Solana come deeper. Don't forget this is 2020, okay? This is 2020. Our 2020 was below 0.0 something. And this is the bull run. I can say this is like the first bull run he's experiencing. And he gave over 16,000. Now, the next bull run, if you use your FIB extension, for some of you that know how to use FIB extension, you see, let me use the FIB extension. Okay. And if you go for 4.278, we're going to be looking at something about around over 1,000. And that's where it's going to go. It's going to go there in the next bull run. But before I can go to 1,000, I see Solana come as cheap as anything below $5. Anything below $5. So right now, if I were you, I would just go learn how to trade futures and be enjoying sell. Okay, be enjoying sell right now, because if this zone was going to hold, you will see the real impulse. But we can't see the impulse right now. You can see that it's a very raw scenario. So the only option for us right now is to trade the flip zone. So what do I see coming? I see this market drop, then retrace back into this red zone around 31, 35, around 31, 33. Then we can sell off. We can sell off from there to this zone. I know you don't like to hear that, but like I do tell you, I'm not here to impress you. I'm just here to share my opinion. Okay? So I feel that Solana will go deeper. Solana has the potential to go deeper, anything below here, because we are yet to see that momentum that we are looking for. So that's my view for Solana. Hope is not insulting. Hope is simple. Jeez. Mr. Mayowa, what are you saying? I have 1,000 Solana. How do I cope? You will cope. Just cope. The only way to cope is to cope. Just cope. Okay. Just cope. Hope the TA is clear. Gabriel, hope the TA is clear for Solana. Great. So Ayola says analysis on Ethereum USD. Try to understand why you say monthly candles and candles in charge. Hey, is that Yola? You have been eating my videos. Nice, nice. So let's check Ethereum. What's Ethereum doing? Ethereum will sell too, guys. Ethereum will sell too. So where do we are around 12, 13 right now. I told us last week that we're going to be selling and we're expecting the flip zone rejection, but it didn't come up there. So I feel it's still going to drop more after this pin bar. I feel it's still going to drop more. I see Ethereum come below 300. Okay, that's where we're going to be buying, or that's where I will be buying, not we. Everybody, my name is Mao Olabi, and what I'm saying here is for educational purpose. That's my disclaimer. It's for educational purpose. Okay, guys. So we need to look for sell opportunity. I will be looking for sell opportunity on Ethereum. So we have this reversal here, and that's still what is controlling the market right now. From there, it's still dropping. I see this guy drop below 900 between now and next week. Okay, possible. Okay, not that it's sure. Possible. Okay, you need to drop even to 1,000. You need to drop. Then from there we can scale up. We can scale up. There could be a reaction around 1,000. There could be a reaction around 1,000. But I don't see this reaction hold. I see it's going to break that zone. Deeper, 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 deeper. So right now, sell is my bias. Sell is my bias for that. CA for UFO Gaming, UFO. This project is very good. This project looks very interesting. UFO looks very interesting. So let's check it together. Let's check it together. Sell. Sell. Keep selling. No data to help. There's no data to. We're going to sell, guys. This guy will keep selling. Sell, guys, sell. Sell. It doesn't have data. So I always have issues with projects that you know. So this guy needs to go deeper. That's my bias for you from. There's no TA here. Okay, doesn't have enough data. Someone says you should check Dogecoin. What are you looking for on Dogecoin? Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Dogecoin have to come here. This is where Dogecoin has to come. That's like 4 penny or something. It has to go deeper. Okay. It has to go deeper. Dogecoin needs to sell more. Sell. So if you want to buy, you have to wait till it comes this far. That's the only place to buy. You have to wait for that buy. It has to go deeper. Okay. So I'm seeing some good news on Ripple, but waiting for the case to be over. What's your take on it? Same direction. He has to come. Any project you want to put money in right now, the only option is to use dollar cost average because a lot of them has potential to dip more. Okay, so for me, I'm not going to be, I'm not going to be putting in my major fund right now. I'll just be doing some dollar cost average and we're good to go. Okay. Feel. Let's go and check feel. Hey, no data. No data right now. No data. Avalanche. That means we should check Avalanche. Let's check Avalanche. $3. That's where I'll put money in Avalanche. Anything below $3. I know, I know. I know you don't want to hear that, right? There's nothing. I can't put any money here. Okay. Avalanche has to come below $5, like $3 self. $3 before I can put money. Yeah, that's my view. Ooh. Avalanche need to drop more. You guys got the avalanche, Gabriel? Gabriel, you got the avalanche, right? Samuel said everything is selling. Yeah, not everything. There's some project that's buying currently. There's some project that are buying currently. It's not everything that's selling. You just have to identify those projects. Avalanche, then Chile said, please, what's your take on these two tokens? My take fundamental, my take technical, my take project wise. Mm. Lucky says TA on call. Call. Um, uh, call. Mm. Let's use let's use Dex 2. Let's use Dex 2 for that. Because if you use the other one, it won't be clear. So you go in call CAW, so we can get the full data of call. This is a sideways market right now. While for me, call is a meme coin. Okay, until they establish their utilities. You can see that it went up, came down, went up, back. Okay, so for me, I think it's more of ranging right now. There's really nothing there. Okay, so a lot of one says Please, boss, is there a quality Ruyi coin? Ruyi coin. Let's go and check. Ruyi. Let's check. Let's check. Ruyi. So I'm aware of this coin. I'm aware of this coin. Uh, how do I how do I explain this coin? How do I? But I think he has a lot of cases. He has a lot of utility. Okay, he has a lot of utility, and it's not doxed. Doxed means that the owners are not showing themselves, and you know, I like to see. I like to see my. I like to see the any project that I'm putting money more than $500 in. I like to see the projects. I like to see the owners. I like to see the team. So it's they're building something like Binance, okay? Okay, so they are staking, they have trading platform, they have payment, there are a couple of stuffs, but uh, you know, when you are putting money in the project, just have your you can invest in a project, but you have to have your risk level. Okay, so for me, I'm not going to be putting so much in Rui if I want to put money. I'll not be putting so much in Rui. I'll not be putting so much in Rui. Not because I don't want money, but it's not. You see, it's not everything crypto you want to put your money in. There's so much. There's so many projects outside there every day. So I can't see that openness, that transparency. Let me check the people that have money in it. Hmm. Let me check the people that have money in it. Because that also has a way of making me put money in a project. Let's see those that have money in it. It has a way of making me feel relaxed. Ruyi. Let's see those that have money in it. You see, because there's a project that will not have all your checklist list, and they will deliver. So there's a lot of projects like that. They won't have your checklist, they won't even have, there won't be transparency, you know. But those kind of projects, you need to put them in the right portfolio. You have to put them in the right portfolio. Okay, that okay, because this person out of my ten project requirement, I only have six. Okay, so that means that you are meme coin. And I've recommended that meme coin you shouldn't have more than 10%. That's my take home. That's my take. Okay, left. Uh, near, I told you near is coming lower than three. I've analyzed that in it on already. Please, sir, how do you know a new coin is being listed on an exchange? How do you know a new coin is? That's one of the best way to know. Join the Telegram, join Binance Telegram group, join KuCoin, join all the necessary exchanges. That's where to know. Then you can also join their email lists so that when they send broadcasts, you will get it. Okay? They will always tell. They will always tell us. You're welcome. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Good to have you guys on here today. Two announcements for you before you go. Number one, if you are in Lagos, Nigeria, make sure you go and sign up for my Wowolabi Money Matters Masterclass. And if you are interested in the VIP, make sure you are there. I'm having a session. I want to talk to people about how to create cash flow, how to run structures, systems, um, strategy, approach that they can use to generate monthly inflow. Okay, we're going to be having the VIP session, and we're also going to be having the free session. So the free session starts by 10 o'clock. Everybody's going to be there. Then we're going to be ending that for 12 noon. Then we'll now start the VIP session. The VIP session, we're going to be cracking case studies and action plan that you can use to start making money in the month of October, even before it closes. So if you have not registered, go and register. Okay, the VIP is $100, but you can join for $20. That is about 15,000 naira. Okay, that's the early bird. The early bird ends tomorrow. So if you want to take a chance of the VIP, get the VIP right now before it ends tomorrow. Okay, the VIPs will go with a lot of my stuffs. They're going to go with a lot of my materials. They'll go with the recording of the day. They're going to be going with case studies and action plan for their business or for anything they do, and strategies to increase their cash flow. The VIP are also going to be enjoying a huge discount on our product and services. Okay, so there's a lot for the VIP. So if you are going to be there, make sure, Mr. Maiwa, I'm not in Nigeria, you can join online. We're going to be having the Zoom. We're going to be giving Zoom access so that you guys can join online. But for those that are in Lagos, the venue is Lagos. That's LCCI. I've forgotten the words right there. Okay. LCCI allows Ikeja on the mainland. Don't miss it for any reason. We're going to be going through a lot. We'll be opening to business opportunities, clarity on future of nature's business, exposure to business ideas, and how to take your business to 6 figures as I have taken my own to. Okay. I'm going to be sharing some deep stuff. Mr. Maiwa, I'm a 9 to 5 person. How can I make money? I'm going to be sharing that. I used to work in the bank for 5 years, okay, and I knew what I did to get that done. Okay, so all of this will be on for you guys. So go there on this page, register, and I'll see you guys on the 22nd of October, either on site or online. Anyone that is fine for you, make sure you're there. If you can't afford the VIP, join the free. You will still gain so many value. Okay, so make sure you are there. And the last but not the least, a lot of you want to join our cryptocurrency group. Okay, our cryptocurrency group is a group where we talk about crypto assets and the game plan. All these questions you're asking me is already trashed in the cryptocurrency group. We're going to be having access to our assets, all the assets that we want to buy, you will have access to it. And it goes for $1,000 for 1 year. That's a 30% discount. Okay, so go there or you reach out to the number on the screen if you want to join the cryptocurrency. Okay, we have training videos we have our watch list. Okay, the futures trading, we have the tech royal where they keep paying you when you buy an asset. There's just so much in the cryptocurrency group that you can leverage on. And if you're interested, please reach out to the number showing on your screen. Anyone you're interested in, Mr. Maiwa, if you're interested in the private, the money master class, you can reach out to Bukola on this number. Bukola will definitely attend to you. If you want to join the cryptocurrency list group, Mr. Maiwa, for 1 year, you're in. Okay, for 1 good year, you're going to be in. Going to give you, instead of looking for asset to buy, we will do all the analysis for you. And all you need to do is to look for capital and invest, and you're good to go. Okay, guys, hope you guys gain some value as usual. My name remains Maiwa Wolabi. I look forward to your success, and I'll see you guys on Saturday where we'll talk about digital business. Have a pleasant evening. Good night, guys.